Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's check in on the 10-year note futures once again today as they're recovering a bit today after a couple days of heavy selling pressure. Well, we did see the 10-year note futures close at a 3-week closing low yesterday, coming off those levels, holding the 109 handle and currently priced at 109.15, which is in the middle of the 109 handle and also in the upper middle of today's markets. And driving factors today, really economic data being one of the primary drivers. Overnight, EU released its inflation data in line with expectations, but it shows continued moderation. Market interpret that as a positive from a global perspective, and we did see some buying pressure. Then we got the JOLTS job opening data here this morning, which showed increase in job openings. So that was a concern, as that created some selling pressure, and the idea that maybe the labor markets are starting to again show that they need more positions filled, and that keeps the labor market tight, and that was the interpretation, at least initially. But then we did get some dialogue from Fed Chairman Powell soon after that at a global conference in Portugal, and basically not necessarily interpreting that data point, but just the labor market as a whole, as well as inflationary pressures. And he indicated that they continue to see positive steps there, and that did create some buying pressure after initial selling pressure from the JOLTS job opening data this morning. So a little bit of volatility around those two events, but now we're seeing higher price action. Yields, 10-year yield down 5 basis points today to 443 basis points. And we're seeing the yield curve moving lower pretty much across the entire curve today in similar fashion, as far as we're seeing yields lower by 3 to 4 basis points from the 2s all the way out to the 30s. So some buying pressure here after a couple days of heavy selling pressure to counteract that. Moving towards later this week, a holiday shortened week, but we do have non-farm payrolls coming out on Friday.